Morning. It's around 10 o'clock here in the morning. We're gonna do some test flight. Well, it's been a while. I haven't made any video for about weeks, 3 weeks or maybe, or 2 weeks. I'm not really sure. I really apologize about that because I was really too busy. And as a matter of fact, the weather is not really permitting me to, do some flight outside in the field. But right now we're gonna do some test flight. It's Sunday morning here in the Philippines, and the weather is good. We got just a little bit of sun. Well, we're actually forecasting that we're gonna be having a typhoon in the upper and central Luzon this coming week. Actually, it's a bad thing because this is a typhoon. It's a stronger one. It's going to be hitting and forecasted to be hit by around starting Tuesday next week. So I'm going to take this advantage or this opportunity to do some test flight while the weather is still good. But right now we're going to test flight a new drone that I bought last night. It's the Parrot Bebop 1, or the Parrot Bebop 3.0 as they call it. I wasn't able to get the Bebop 2 yet because I believe it's not really that out yet here in the Philippines where I can buy it on the store. But right now I have it. Last night I bought it around $200 here in the Philippines, around 10,000 pesos. So we're gonna do some test flight for my new drone that I got. This is really a good drone. It has a 1080p HD video quality, and I got an onboard EIS or electronic image stabilizer as well. So we're gonna see this one if this really actually somehow resemble the Telo's EIS, like they put it in the DJI Telo. Alright, I'm gonna do some test flight. See you in a bit, guys, and hopefully this one will turn out to be good. See ya. Back. Or rather, I'm back. Okay, so I'm now out in the field here. So we're gonna do some test flight of my new drone. It's a Parrot Bebop. So we're gonna test it right now here. I'm out in the field, as you can see. If you can see behind me, there are people playing softball. It's Sunday morning, so they're pretty much actually doing whatever they want. So, like what they're doing, I'm gonna do whatever I want as well. And we're gonna do some test flight of my DJI. Not DJI rather, I'm sorry, but it's Parrot Bebop 1. I got it here in my compartment, and I'll show you guys. This the Parrot Bebop that I got. I got it here. It's the yellow one. Well, this is only the one stack that I got for the Bebop that I bought last night. So we're gonna do some test flight, and hopefully this one will turn out to be good. And come and join me, guys. Okay? See, I'm going to do some. By the way, I'm going to do some screen recording here. I wasn't able to bought my action cam as of the moment, and my camera, my outer camera. I'm missing the batteries. I misplaced it. I haven't got any time to find because I'm taking this opportunity to have this good weather while it's not raining yet. Earlier this morning it was actually drizzling, so this time around the sun is out. If you can see here behind me and around the area, it's not that really clear sky, but it's good. Somehow cloudy, and weather is still good to fly. Come on, guys, let's go. See ya, guys, in a bit.